Congratulations, we created a wallet for MetaMask.
So let's try to add ZK EVM network in MetaMask. And I'm going to search for chain list. And I'm going to search for MXC network here. You can see ZK EVM mainnet. Let's connect to MetaMask and add the network over MetaMask. Yeah, it's already added. And we already have some tokens transferred over to ZK EVM network and
Correct.
also to Ethereum network.
Exactly.
MXC token on Ethereum mainnet. So I'm navigating to CoinMarketCap. I search for MXC token here, and I'm gonna copy the contract from Ethereum, going back to MetaMask, importing the token. Let's add the address. MXC is auto-populated. Let's add the token and import the token. I have already transferred some MXC tokens from different accounts, so we already have it, and now we have both Ethereum and MXC over Ethereum.
So let's get started and import our wallet with the seed phrase we received from MetaMask.
That's right. So let's go to the import wallet option. As you can see, we have other options also here to import our seed phrase. But since we have the seed phrase from MetaMask, we are going to use secret recovery phrase. And we are going to paste our secret recovery phrase here. We can import the wallet. And we're going to follow up with the security features that we have in the AXS wallet. You can set up your biometric, and the next step would be to create the passcode. Confirm the created passcode from the previous screen. Here we have an option to choose our MNS name. We can choose it on this step, or we can skip this step and we can use the MNSD app from inside the wallet. For now, we're going to skip it so that we can choose it from inside the wallet itself. And here we are inside the AXS wallet. On the first screen, as you can see, all the D apps are listed. Alright, so now we are inside the AXS wallet. As you can see, shows all the D apps that we have. By default, AXS wallet will be connected to ZK EVM mainnet chain. Let's go to the wallet. As you can see, we have the MXC fund that we have transferred to the MetaMask ZK EVM network. We can see the transaction here. You can see all the funds here. If you will go inside the managed portfolio, you can see all the tokens listed along with the data values that they have. Let's try to switch to other chain and see. Let's try to switch to Ethereum and see the funds that we have transferred on Ethereum chain. As you can see, we can see the MXC which we have transferred on MetaMask and Ethereum. Let's go back and switch the chain back to ZK EVM. Now we are inside AXS Wallet. We are on the home page of AXS Wallet, which will show all the decentralized apps listed. From the top right corner, we can access Wallet, and we can go to the wallet screen where we can see all the funds that we have added in the MetaMask. If you'll go to manage portfolio by clicking on the arrow or on the manage portfolio tile, you will be navigated to portfolio page where you can listed and their balances. We can navigate back, and from the top left corner we can navigate to the settings. we can use chain configuration option to switch the chain. Right now, by default, we will be having zkEVM mainnet as the option selected, and let's select Ethereum mainnet, set it as default, and let's go back to our wallet. We can navigate back to manage portfolio, and here we can see we have MXC token and ETH tokens. Now let's try to bridge these MXC tokens to zkEVM. For that, we'll have to go to our DApp section. From the top right corner, you can select the carousel and you can go to DApp section. Here, let's select L3 Bridge DApp, which will help us to bridge tokens from ETH to zkEVM mainnet. When we'll select the L3 Bridge DApp, will be suggested with the gesture controls that we can use to control the DApps. Let's click next, next, and done. Here we are inside our DApp for L3 Bridge. Let's connect the wallet. We can connect using MetaMask or the AXS wallet. Let's connect using the AXS wallet. And as you can see, it will show us the ETH balance on the top, which we have in the MetaMask as well. And we can also see the 185 MXC, that is the balance on ETH. Let's try to bridge it on to zkEVM. Let's transfer, for example, 180 MXC. We'll have to approve it. And let's confirm. You can see the details here. And you can see the approval message on the top. So we have approved it, and let's click on bridge to zkEVM mainnet, and let's confirm it.
So there's actually two transactions that one needs to send. The first one is the approving transaction for approving the amount you want to send over to the wallet or to the bridge in this case. And the second transaction is to actually make the action in order to bridge. As you can see on the top corner, the bridge was successful.
That's right. And as you can see, the balance has been updated here. The balance of MXC is 5 MXC here because we have already transferred 180. And we can go back to AXS wallet actually now and try to see the balances in AXS wallet. Back on the top left corner, or before that, we can check actually balance in the Ethereum. You can go to the wallet from top row right. Let's go to manage portfolio. You can see the balance has been updated here. It's been deducted. Let's go back to settings from top left. Let's go to chain configuration and let's set MXC zkEVM as the default network again. Go back again. We are in wallet. We can see that in the transaction history, 180 MXC has been received. We can navigate to manage portfolio and see that our token count has been updated now, and we have received bridged MXC token successfully from ETH to zkEVM. All right, so let's start with the next step. Let's try to purchase an MNS name for this AXS wallet account that we have created. Make sure to switch the chain to zkEVM mainnet from the settings. Let's verify this. So from the top left, you can go to settings. Let's go to chain configuration. Chain is configured to zkEVM mainnet. Let's go back again, and we are back to the app page. As you can see at the bottom, we have MNS DApp. Let's click on that. The first step is to connect to the wallet. Let's connect to our AXS wallet. And now let's search for a name which we are going to purchase. Let's go with tutorial.mxe. Once we will start typing the name, it will give us the option whether this name is available or already been registered or already been taken by someone. As we can see, tutorial.mxe is already available, so let's choose that. On the top, you can select number of years for which you want to reserve it, and then it will give you the option for 1 year registration, the fees that will be required for that. Let's scroll down and click on next. Let's go ahead by skipping the profile. You can also add more profiles here. Let's scroll down. It will give you the steps here, some details, and let's click on begin. Here you will see a template for confirmation. Let's click on open wallet. Here you will see the estimated fees that you are getting. Let's click on confirm, and let's wait till the transaction is being processed. Then we can click on finish. And congratulations. Alright, yeah, we have our name. And we can go to view profile. We can see the name that we have purchased here. Let's go back to AXS wallet, and on the top you will see the address has been replaced with the name, MNS name that we have purchased. If you go to the wallet, on the top again you will see the same purchased MNS name, similar with the settings. Earlier we were seeing only the address, but now you are seeing the MNS name as well. You can go to QR code, and here also, so throughout the entire application now we have the MNS name purchase, and this MNS name user can use even to transfer the funds. Alright, let's go with another action with one of the D apps, that is minting the hexagon using MNS D app. So till now we already purchased the MNS name. Let's try to mint an hexagon now. For that we'll have to first go to the Explorer D app, that is the first one on the screen. Let's go to Explorer D app. From the top left corner, let's select the menu option. Let's go, and we'll have to select the mapper, that is the second option on the screen. And here you'll be able to see all the hexagon that we have, since we have now quite some hexagon already minted, so it takes some time to load. And now you can see all the hexagon already getting loaded. You can click anywhere on the map where the hexagon is not already minted, and when we click on it, we will be seeing the hexagon ID for that particular hexagon that you have clicked on the map. You can copy the hexagon ID, and let's go back to AXS wallet, and now we'll have to click on MNS D app, that is at the bottom. From the bottom menu, let's click on the user profile, and you will have to click on the second option, that is again the user profile option, and you will be on the profile screen for the MNS. Let's scroll down, and we'll see an option saying mint hexagon, mint MVP 1002 hexagon, and when we click on it, we'll see an text box with an option where we can put the hexagon ID that we copied in the mapper. Let's go here. We already have the ID. Let's confirm it, and let's follow the same steps: the approval, and then let's wait for the transaction to proceed further. And transaction is successful and done. So we have successfully minted the hexagon that we selected from the mapper. To verify it, you can again go back to mapper. You can see that it's already minted now. Now we are gonna set this domain name that we have purchased, the MNS name tutorial.mxc, with the mapper that we have just minted. Let's go to set and again go back here, and again we'll see the text box where we can put the same hexagon ID that we copied before, that we also used for minting the hexagon. Let's put it in the text box and let's click on confirm. Let's open wallet. We'll see the transaction fee and other details here. Let's confirm it. Transaction to proceed. As you can see, we are setting the domain name, the MNS name that we have purchased, which is tutorial.mxc, with the hexagon that we minted before. The transaction is successful and done. And to verify again, we can go back to the Explorer. We can go to Mapper, and we can try to search using the MNS that we have purchased. Let's try to search it. Sorry. Tutorial.mxc. Now let's search. Here we go. So this is the hexagon that we minted, and as you can see, we have already linked the MNS also, and you can see the MNS right on the hexagon that we minted and we set. Alright, let's go. Let's try to use swap the app, and let's try to swap token with some other token. So you can scroll, it's a left and right navigation, and on the top we have MXC swap the app. Let's go to MXC swap the app, and we are on the interface for MXC swap now. Let's connect to our AXS wallet again. You'll be seeing MXC balance getting updated, and let's try to select the swap token. So let's click on select token and let's swap. So alright, let's go to WMXC and let's enter some MXC. So you can see WMXC balance also getting updated. Let's click on wrap, and you'll be able to see the estimated fees and other details here. Let's click on confirm, and on the top you'll be seeing the pending notification that the transaction is in process, and let's wait for some time. And yes, here we have the notification for it that we have successfully wrapped. From MXC to WMXC, we can go back to AXS Wallet. Let's go to manage portfolio, where we'll be able to see all the tokens. As you can see, we have wrapped MXC tokens updated. We can see 100 here. Also, you will be able to see the transactions here in the transaction history.